Would you like an introduction to new productivity as you're working from home? Sometimes the hardest thing to do is ask for guidance or help regarding technology that you have but may not completely understand. We're making that easy for you to do by providing 5 hours of our time. That 5 hours includes time to help you with setup and configuration. It provides group training, and then it provides 2 hours of support for you to call us as you need us. In addition to the time that we provide, we're also providing some templates to help you get your team set up in the best manner possible. To take advantage of this program, there's a link that you can click on to book an appointment to get started. There's also additional information there to help reinforce everything that I've just said. I look forward to you signing up. I look forward to working with you, and I hope that you become more productive working from home.